everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Zoo Miami. Right off the bat, I just want to say parking is free, which is fantastic. We were in row F, which is not bad. We're about an hour after opening here, and it's very quick and easy to get to. And here's a little tip about the drivers. Just be careful about that. So here's this. We're right here at the light to get into the Miami Zoo. I just want to show you that people will get into this lane. They will turn left and cut you off, even if you're already in the left-hand turn lane. So be aware of the drivers down here because they suck. All right, and it is just us and 2 kids today, so it's our first time coming. You can bring backpacks. There's people with backpacks, strollers, all of that. We just have some water bottles in there for us, so we'll show you around the zoo and other cool stuff that you need to know for a fun day. So we did already have tickets, so we did not need to go into the ticket line, but that's where the ticket line is. You also buy your experiences there, but this is just the queue to get in that we've been waiting in. It is so funny right here at the entrance. You're in. The wait was probably about 15 minutes in that line. They have all the turnstiles open, which is fantastic. It just takes a minute to get in. We had our tickets on our phones. Once you get in, there are codes everywhere that you can scan for the rideables, the maps, etc. So you can take a picture of the map or you can do it on your phone. So that's this whole entrance area, and we're gonna get into the zoo now. Small because it's a 2-person, and the large is bigger and you can fit more. It is sold out already for the day, so they're in 3-hour increments, so if we want to get one, it has to be later. Okay, we got a turtle right from the get-go over here in this area where this water fountain is. Ooh, this is cool. They put plaques in the trees so you know what they are. Pretend hippos. Really need a map. Okay, this is a cool feature. You just push the button and you get misted. You got banana, plain chocolate. You have to tell me how it is. Be careful you don't drop it out of your mouth. That would be sad. What kind did you get? Sprinkle. Okay, what do you think?
It's good.
It's good. Bananas was $16, $18. Starting with Asia first. And this looks like the orangutan enclosure. Oh, there they are. They're running around. How cute. Look at how cute
There's
they
an
are.
orangutan.
He's hitting his head against the wood.
There he is eating.
One hitting his head against the wood. Why is he doing that?
He's covering up. That's interesting. Tell me why they do this.
Where does it appear?
Pretty neat, huh? You can see him eating.
They eat.
Okay, now we know. Water bottle refills and drinking fountains. So if you brought a water bottle, boom, you're taken care of. Wings of Asia. Wings of Asia aviary was closed. So instead of cutting through the park, we're gonna come back from where we just came and go over to the tigers.
Yeah.
Isn't he awesome?
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Right by the elephants is this little splash pad, and it squirts out like full-blown big amounts of water. So you just go push the button and you can get wet. As you can see, it was a must push. They ran over, pushed it, they actually started running through it. The original intention was just to rinse the chocolate off their hands from the bananas, but here they are, and they got like fully wet. I don't know the how and why, but they got a golf cart, so that'd be amazing.
I want to watch Minions.
That made my day.
It is a strawberry in it.
snacking up to the Oasis Grill. This is just where we landed. It is right across from the splash pad, which is right in there.
What about the seasoned fries?
We've got a cheeseburger plain. That was my son's. Here we have the kids meal, the applesauce, and there's tons of stuff in there with her PBJ because she doesn't eat meat. Then we've got a grilled chicken sandwich. I'll try to get another turn on that. And then I have my pulled pork. I took my bun up so you could see inside, pulled pork and coleslaw. And I took the veggies from my son's burger because his was not actually plain. Here's our chicken sandwich again. There's vegetables on the underside. All the sauces are separate, so that's something you just have to worry about. If you want sauces, go get them.
Applesauce.
Yeah, pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We 100% could have shared. We're throwing away a lot of food. She's still working on her Zoe. Was it all good though, sis?
Yeah, it was great.
It was great. Foodstuffs, come here, you. Proportions were good. Prices were not insane. I think it's more of a shareable system. What were you saying about the pickup?
Oh, so it goes on two sides. So when you're ordering, you either order on the left side, you can either go to the kiosk like we did, or you can go order in person. Right side also has the same system. If you order from the left side, then there's an order pickup window that's on that side. That's the side you need to go to, not the other side. I did a bad thing and went to the right side thinking the order windows for everyone. They have two of them on both sides. If you order on the left, go to the left one. If you order on the right, go to the right one. It'll save you some time.
This is the main water splash pad area. There are several, but if you need to pause this and give it a read, you can. And there's also the bathroom here where you can get dressed if you need to. How's it going, sis? Horrible. Horrible? No. Your brother was just trying to be King Kong. Yeah? Were you King Konging on that tree? Oh my gosh, I was wondering where she went. Through the tree. They have swim shoes, towels, swimsuits, shorts, all of this. And it's just outside that. So I'm not going to film in there. I don't want to be a weirdo, but there's a splash pad and there's stuff to buy. And the restroom right back at the outpost. The restroom right here next to us by the food and everything, tons of people go in there to change. So you have a place where you can go change out of your wet clothes if you need to. They're so cute. There is two of them. I love it.
Okay, come on,
He's moving, he's moving. One's sleeping. This one's chilling in the sun.
He's just shaking his head in this.
He might be scratching his back of his neck too much.
Or he's laughing at all of us spectators. There he is. He's eating. Back there in the very back.
Why is he pacing?
Maybe he's waiting on something.
That might be where they feed him and he's getting ready to be fed. Who knows?
Yeah.
I didn't know animals paced.
As you make your way back to the giraffe area, there is the feeding station. The line was so long, it was zigzagging this entire thing. Thankfully, there are the umbrellas there to keep you cool. I do believe you can pay there. And they just bring out trays and trays and trays of food that you can feed the giraffes. Look at that beautiful elephant. Huge difference between crowded areas, and this is not even the worst of the crowd by the elephants, and then animals that are least popular. Like, it's night and day. So if you can make it through a crowd, you'll see lots of other animals with no congestion whatsoever. I have never seen a rhino blend in camouflage. The camera's not picking up the orange as much. Maybe that's a little better.
Blending in.
He is totally blending in with all of those rocks and everything.
Crazy, right?
Like, we for real. We almost like walked right past him and didn't see him. Okay, over by the pond, you can see a lot of congestion. However, it's the Village Plaza. There's another restaurant, there's bathrooms. It looks like there's another park over here, which explains some of this extra cart traffic over here. Got our Dippin' Dots.
Nice way to cool down.
So good.
Right?
It's cold, huh? And we got our refill. Lemonade's good. And yes, this is a splash pad. Inside the restaurant, they also have some of these items for sale. This divides into a lot of sections. So we're off. Okay. It's hard to see with the netting. And there's a lot of monkeys in here, different kinds. And they're just in different spots. There he is. This guy's kind of, you can see him a little better now. Okay, we've just made our way through reptiles and fish and whatnot, and we're in the Amazon. I am confident we have missed stuff. This whole area is a little tricky to kind of navigate, and it splits off in a million directions. Like there's another way. I don't think we've been this way yet, but the kids are tired, so I don't know. I think we're just at the point of it's late in the afternoon. We've been here for 3 hours. I think we're at the what is skipped and what is visited part of our trip. Everyone was on board with paddle boat, so we went ahead and we did it. Oh my gosh. He's like coming right by us. There's got to be a joke. And there's koi fish. That's cool. And another turtle straight ahead. A turtle meets a giant rubber duck. No, a turtle and a giant rubber duck walk into a bar. I'm not going to. He's right here. This was a much needed break. Really, for all of us, the paddling wasn't that hard. They got to relax. We were covered in the shade. It was a beautiful day. We saw tons of wildlife out there, and check out the view off of this little lake pond thing. It was very beautiful and relaxing. There we go. We're all done. It was really fun. Oh, and you can see fish.
He's looking pretty down in the dumps right now. Best to leave him alone.
Down in the dumps. On a tortoise. There's 4 for you.
Look at him coming through the lake.
He knows you want his attention. They've officially said no to Australia and yes to the exit. So here we are at the exit. I think this is where the flamingos were. We're gonna go see about a membership. They're on sale right now. My overall impression is that it is a very, very big zoo. There's some spaces where there's just a lot in between, and maybe you're not really seeing as much as you want to see. However, there's still a lot of really cool stuff. The splash pads are awesome, the parks are awesome, the food was decent priced, and we couldn't do it all in a day. We're done, right? And we've obviously missed stuff. So I think a membership would be worth it, personally. It is a little bit of a drive, but that's okay. 30 minutes is not the end of the world. And so I think we will totally get the family membership. Here he is. Alright, so we did end up getting the family membership. There is a military discount on that, so all in all, not mad about the price. You come twice and it pays for itself. I think we had a really good day. Really quickly, if you have a fan, bring it, or a water spray bottle thingy with the fan, bring it. They sell them here, but I mean, we have them from theme parks. Bring a lot of water or bring water bottles, a hat, sunscreen. They sell those things, but again, it's better to bring them. Lots of places, every single snack stand had like water and sodas, and some had beers. So there's a lot of snack stands through the whole park. We did bring like little granola bars and goldfish to snack on, but we also ate here, as you saw. There's multiple full-scale restaurants, and they have like real food, right? Burgers and chicken and whatever. So we just went to the one, but we'll look at the other ones next time. We did miss 2 areas, which we knew we would. At this point, like, it's 80 degrees, it's hot, we're sweaty. We walked about 4 miles and did the paddle boats. So we missed Australia, we missed the Florida area.
Amazon.
And we missed one place in the Amazon, so it happens. Anyway, that is it from us here at the Miami Zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.
I'll see you on our next adventure.